Two veteran monkeys in the Grant Park Zoo, which amused thousands of children and many grown-ups by their ludicrous antics for many years, were found dead yesterday morning by the zookeeper, frozen to death in the little monkey house where they had vainly tried to keep warm. All the animals from tropical climates are suffering from the coal shortage, although the zookeeper is exerting himself to the utmost to keep them warm. A good deal of wood picked up from the woods in the park has served to keep the fires going part of the time. About the only animal taking any pleasure in the blizzard is the grizzly bear, whose warm coat of fur enables him to laugh at winter's icy blast.